Hello everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Today I'll share that how parents of highly intelligent child suffer. Sometimes they feel proud of it, but initially they suffer a lot. 1. Intelligence is not that getting A plus in every test. So we expect, or as a parents you expect, even teacher expect, if this boy is intelligent, he should get A plus in every subject. But they don't get. They have high curiosity, so they are not afraid of asking questions. As a parents, we discourage, we are fed up with their questions. Sometimes we don't know the answer. They ask the questions. Even in classes, teacher has some limitation. He cannot answer all the questions because sometimes they ask beyond the topic which are discussed in the class. So at the time, what parents should do? They should identify some resources or some websites where from he will feel its intellectual needs. That means he has a high curiosity. That's why he is asking question. And who can ask the question? Who can think critically? He can ask the question. So parents should be prepared for that, and they should just identify or provide the resources where he can fulfill his intellectual curiosity. Second point is, he is very messy. Messy means he does not keep his belongings organized way. It is always, his study table is always disorganized. He wants to organize for 1 day, 2 days, he organizes, but after that he can't. Because think for a moment, if you will go on organizing the things, arranging the things, when he will think critically? Because he loves to think critically, loves to think more about the whole world. So their parents have to suffer and they have to adjust. Third point is, he is very self-critical. Self-critical means he does not think about the worldly things. He does not care about his clothes. He does not care about the body. He always care about the mind, how much he is learning, and it should be perfect. He will learn more and more. Fourth point is, he is a night worker. That means at night he loves to work. So as a parents, you have to suffer, because sometimes highly intelligent people like Charles Darwin, they work for the whole night. So they are parents of highly intelligent child, also have to do some sacrifice. And fifth point is, they love projects. They love projects. They always work so many work together. They are multidimensional. They can do so many works, and especially they love project. So he is cutting and pasting, glue is needed, and other things is needed, and he can go beyond books. He needs lots of books, so you have to adjust with that. So don't worry, if you are parents of a highly intelligent child, you are then by grace of God, you are lucky. So adjust with it. Don't discourage your child. One day he may be a great scientist or great personality to invent something and to make you very proud. So tips for parents: Do not discourage him or her to ask questions. Rather, provide them resources where they can satisfy their intellectual thirst. Do not be rigid about getting A plus in all the subjects. 3. Do not be rigid about his or her way of managing his or her belongings. If he or she loves to work at night, allow him or her. Allow him or her to do projects. Do not assume that he wastes time. They grow intellectually by doing projects. Thank you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.